Here at 5, Southeast Texas high school students went head to head, or you might say spoon to spoon, in a blizzard eating contest today. They competed ahead of Miracle Treat Day, which is Thursday, tomorrow. It's an annual fundraiser for the Children's Miracle Network hospitals. Tomorrow, a portion of the money from the blizzards purchased here in Southeast Texas will go to kids at Christus. By the way, today's winner, Jackson Lindo from Hardin-Jefferson High School, was pretty happy.
Like, I like ice cream, but it's like doing it for others and like kind of raising attention. That feels good.
Students from Lumberton, P&G, Vidor, East Chambers, Hardin-Jefferson, and Hampshire Finette all took part. Again, tomorrow's your chance to get involved. Buy a blizzard, get in on the action. I don't know how this one just showed up in my hands during the commercial break.
Careful, you get a brain freeze.
I'm being careful.
Let's take a look at radar right quick.
He said he did not want one.
No,
we even have an extra one for you.
I know. Well, maybe I'll get one later. Anyway.